Our next journey is going to take us to a very unique extrasolar planet called 1407P, many light years away. The Kepler Space Telescope has discovered almost 5,000 possible planets around other stars. (1407P) is one of the most interesting of them. It is actually a dwarf star, a red dwarf star, orbiting a yellow star, very similar in size and color and temperature to our sun. And what's unique about this setup is that the dwarf star, 1407P, has a massive ring system. It's thousands of times wider than Saturn's rings. And it has gaps in the rings just like Saturn's rings do. And as we swing around to the side of the rings illuminated by the yellow star, they'll get quite a bit brighter. Now we know from studying Saturn's rings that when there are gaps in rings, there tend to be moons in there. We haven't discovered any exomoons around 1407P, but because there are large gaps in the rings, we think that there might be. So we imagined two of them. We can fly to them now and take a look at what they might look like. The data that formed this visualization was actually done by astronomers at the University of Rochester, not too far away. And our resident astronomer, Josh Nallenberg, actually converted this data into the visualization that you're looking at right now. So this is one of the possible exomoons around 1407P. You can see that this moon itself also has a small ring system, which is entirely possible. And the next moon, get a little journey on the surface of the rings here. And you can see, just like Saturn's rings, they're made up of particles. We don't know if it's rock or ice. We don't have enough data for that quite yet. So this is the second moon that we've imagined in the ring system around 1407P. Again, we don't know that it exists, but given the fact that ring gaps do tend to be formed by moons, we think that it's probable.